going on, guys? Back here with another awesome brand new video. Today we are on Build a Boat for Treasure. Guys, this is like the 5th vid we have recorded today.
Yeah. I'm using the most OP boat in the game. Look.
Did we upload that Rivals video?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, let's go!
Wait, just get on track for I know where to go.
Why are you already shooting? No, so we aren't going to be using this. We're just going to prove that we can easily beat this before we start being like building terrible boats with the blocks we have.
Look how fast we are going up.
Before people have called us hackers, but it's just because we are pay to win.
Well, I am pay to win.
Start everything down.
No.
Try eject.
No, you don't eject. Let me just land the plane because then it disappears. Well, it's not. Yeah, it is a plane. Yeah, it is a plane.
Oh yeah.
And it's saying
eject.
No, don't eject. Let me crash land. Cause look.
I ejected.
You didn't eject.
Oh no.
Oh, you're kidding me. Why does that happen? It'll do it to you.
No!
Why does that happen? Now
we're just gonna start building a little boat.
Okay, Luke, have you... Wait, Luke, I've got this little boat, what I've built. It's called Good. How do you like it? How do you like it? It's like a little house.
Alright, that could help.
Yeah, look.
We need a second seat and delete. No, just no.
Why?
Just no!
Okay.
Get rid of that.
Well, we'll need to launch the boat now.
Let's launch it and then... No, get onto the green. Stay here and launch the boat. Don't go in. Just launch.
Wait, what's going to happen? Oh.
No!
You can jump back. Why can you jump in the water?
Oh no.
Come on. Oh, Luke, just kill yourself. Whoa, God, we're way down. Bye, good world.
Bye, good time.
Oh, I can see our boat.
The other boat was still.
So what do you want to do? So yeah.
Let's just build from scratch, maybe.
Okay. Okay. So let me try building. So.
I will let her.
Luke, you build like the outside and then
I'll the perimeter.
Yeah, perimeter.
Okay. I got a load of blocks. I got like 80 blocks.
And Luke, I have 159 of land blocks.
Right, you build the floor. I'll build the outside.
Okay, Luke. First, is this going to be the back?
I'll build the perim.
Why are you not? But why are you using that?
I am. I'm making the perimeter.
Wait, are you saying that this is going to be? Oh, this is going to be one of them big ones.
Then should we attach the engines to the back?
Wait.
No, I don't them.
I'll place them blocks on the front and fill them grass. Wait, what blocks is it? Oh, yeah. I've only got 26.
No, we can also do some VR vids for you guys.
Well, fill them like that. Too right.
Now let's start heading backwards.
Luke, only the front ones should be that. Then make the rest wood. Wait. Let me just add in the best protection ever.
I'm adding a cannon.
Okay.
I've also got one I can place.
Okay. Just place it now. Okay, I'm making a bit of progress.
I mean, I can also place the cannon on the very front of the boat.
Okay, I only have 3 left.
Oh.
So to position our seats straight in front of the gold blocks.
Behind?
Yeah, straight. Yeah. Why would you want to sit?
Also, if you want to ride on this boat, Oh, the flying boat. Come here, Roblox username. You can
And
get
join
in
the
it.
group.
And join the group. I'm not the Prime Minister. Why do I have a big red button?
Yeah, I have.
Well, what should the rest of the perimeter be?
Just wood. Straight up wood. No, I don't want to place that there.
I got extra really strong blocks.
Oh, look, I have so much extra really strong blocks, Luke.
I'll take the king chair.
No, wait, okay. You can take the king chair. I'll take the flight. I'll take the pilot chair.
Yeah, I'll place the pilot chair.
Oh, Luke, I think this is a bit too big for a
Oh, yeah, of
boat.
course.
So, let me just...
No, we need the motor.
No, what do you mean motor? Do you mean
On the back.
engines?
Yeah.
Look, this is only going to be the edge of the boat right here. I'm not building all of that. Because remember, look, we still need to just fill in the floor. Look, help me fill in the floor.
I don't have any wood block. JK, I've only got 8 though.
How? Wait, how much gold? Oh. Bruh. Look, then just fill it in with random blocks. It doesn't matter about how cool it looks. Pano joined us. Ooh, wait.
No, but say we've got to build a boat. It's a challenge. Yes.
Okay, hi there. Oh, come on. Hi.
This might get a wee bit delayed.
Oh, wreck. We are wreck. Wait, he's saying hi, chat.
Why?
No.
No, it's challenge. Say it's
La.
challenge. Say not that. Not la. That Bruce needs speech therapy. Also, guys, hope you all have a happy new year.
Yeah. Not a train, shall I say?
Say
Change.
it's challenge.
I said the train. Come on.
I swear, if Abram starts deleting, he's getting kicked from this. No, it's you keep
Oh,
building.
come on, stop making the scaler, man.
No.
Wait. Ooh, no, say TY. TY,
No, then
man.
we can extremely expand this boat. No, Kai, remember we're still recording, so...
Yeah. Big. No, big. Make it big. Make it big.
No,
big.
it's just on a vid. No, the viewers are just going to start getting bored, Kyle. Just come on.
Okay.
Now, guys, we are very wary that you don't get bored, because we watch it. No, delete this. Should we just get rid of them from the team?
Yeah, just kick them. Oh, you're kidding me. How do you kick?
Kyle, you keep on building. I'll talk to him.
Wait, how's it? Oh, bro.
Delete it.
Just say he's a pay-to-win spammer.
Delete.
Yes.
YouTube. I see.
No.
I know how to spell it. Probably spelling it incorrectly. Good.
Luke, just to do Y-T.
What is he doing?
What?
I know, it's just a YouTube challenge. What is he playing at?
He's
Guys,
just...
we're just gonna pause this video for a second.
Okay, we're back.
We're back, guys.
Oh, come on.
And this other kid joined. We don't know what's going on.
Ah, let's go.
They're dying. Wanna just make a boat? Yeah. Oh, bro.
Oh crap! I don't like stealing.
What is this?
But
Masterpiece.
what is this ball? I got
No, because it's gonna fly way over us. But who cares? This is literally a YouTube challenge.
Oh no! I'm gonna force every single blast towards you. Yeah.
Next time, I'm just gonna stack right really high and then place the chair.
What if one of the bricks at the bottom collapses?
Then I'm gonna fall. Like in Minecraft.
Tumbling down.
No, it's just my chair. Hey, look.
I just done that.
I disconnected.
I done that.
I disconnected from the ship.
Oh, I can't turn. I can't turn.
Oh no, I'm dying. Just die. Just kill yourself.
Okay.
They need to go away. How do you kick guys?
Luke, let me just get the best build ever. Yes. I'm building my boat now.
Should I just start deleting stuff from those?
Yes, let's go.
Leave red group.
Launch the boat. Launch it. Yes, I'm in the engine.
Leave flying away.
Wait, I'm flying away with another boat. Wait, bro! Stop! I am the best flyer! No! Yes, noob. What can I do?
I just cried.
Ah, Sabinya! Sabinya! What the hell? Lilo.
Wait, I typed lol. What does lol even mean?
Lilo. Yes, this is my masterpiece. Generating my boat.
No, why is Abram telling us to leave? What's Abram playing at? What is he doing? You! We're literally recording. We're just gonna join a new server, guys.
Guys,
Now
we are gonna show them who the real boss is with the best boat in the physical game. Wait, in the physical game?
Why is your things back? Don't crash into their land. Go over the red. No, board the red land. Crash land.
No.
Crash land. You can't crash land. Fly at them.
Noobs.
No,
Noobs.
Get better.
Double click this.
I can try eject onto their land.
No. Let me just. We're gonna just beat the game. We're beating the game. Build a boat for treasure. Do you mean build a boat? Do you mean build a plane for treasure? It's build a plane for treasure. Oh wait. How am I getting damaged? Oh no! We're getting damaged.
Oh no.
Yeah. Double click this. I do not care about you.
What? Who names themselves Neymar Ronaldo Messi? I'm ejecting.
No, don't eject. Don't. No, no, I need to crash land. I am crash landing onto the chest. No! Oh, no! I can do it! Yes, I did that.
It doesn't apply to him.
Oh. LOL.
Why are you not controlling this? What is going on?
What? Because I ejected them. Race. Race. Lol. Race. Lol. That's race. Yes, that's race. Luke, let's just get in. Get in the boat. Get
Using good boat. I'm just gonna eject onto this and I'm just gonna play some TNT.
Stop. No, you won't. Oh, crumbs. I wanted to say crap, but then I said crumbs for some reason. IDKY.
You might be recording a video of Minecraft maybe next in our room.
What?
We could, couldn't we? We could start a new world on Minecraft, couldn't we? Kyle. Fancy that?
This is gonna be an easy win. Kyle. Okay, look, just eject into the void.
Nah.
I
That's
ejected-
gonna wrap up today's video. I mean, that was just kind of funny rather than just beating that game. See you guys. Ciao.